Welcome to Mandarin with Lily, a YouTube channel where you can learn and improve your Mandarin. Eventually, you will be speaking Mandarin just like a native. My student Emma has been learning Mandarin for a while. Today in our session, we have started to revise one of the most important Chinese grammars, complements, particularly resultative complements. As its name suggests, resultative complement is used after a verb to indicate the result of an action. I'm sure you have heard and used the following words before: 看见、听见、吃完、写完. Emma nodded along, saying, "Yes, I have. Good to know its proper name today." Emma then asked me, "What can be used as resultative complements then?" Great question. In Chinese, verbs, adjectives, and prepositional phrases can be used as resultative complements. Let's start with verbs used as complements. I saw you yesterday. 我昨天看见你了。看 is to look, to put one's eyes on something. 见 is to receive information that entered one's perception. 看见 saw. Now, adjectives used as resultative complements. I'm clear. I'm understanding this painting by looking. 我看明白这幅画了。看 is to look, to put one's eyes on something. 明白 to be clear, an adjective. 看明白 to be clear by looking, which implies to understand. Last but not least, prepositional phrases used as resultative complements. I live in the UK. 我住在英国. The way to negate resultative complements is to put may before the verb most of the time. For example, I didn't see you yesterday. 我昨天没看见你. Now, we will be looking at a few of the most commonly used resultative complements. 1. To finish. I have finished writing homework. 我写完了作业。到 to arrive at. I bought that book yesterday. 我昨天买到了那本书。Here, I arrived at buying that book yesterday, hence I bought that book yesterday. 住 to stay, to hold firmly. Hold on tight to this bottle of water. 拿住这瓶水。着 to succeed in. Please note, the pronunciation here is not 着. I have bought the book. 我买着了书。Here, I succeeded in buying the book, i.e., I have bought the book. I hope this video is making sense to you. In my online course, I have exercises, readings, and vocab building around resultative complement. If you would like to know about my course, please get in touch with me through my email info@mandarinwithlily.com. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.